interested in travelling? What if you were paid to travel? Are you interested in writing? What if you were paid to travel and write at the same time? Come to Hong Kong and win the amazing word race to be the next amazing ambassador. The amazing word race. That sounds interesting.
Come to Hong Kong and win the amazing word race to be the next amazing ambassador. Yeah.
Welcome to Hong Kong. An amazing journey taking you all around Hong Kong is about to begin. Follow the instructions you're about to receive and see who is the first to get to these famous tourist spots.
These are the descriptions of the tourist spots. You have to work out what and where they are and how to get there. Once you arrive, you'll be tested on your English. Good luck to you both and see you at the first checkpoint.
Standing near the waterfront, stars of movies now and then.
Cross the harbour by the ferry. You'll meet the famous Kung Fu master shining forever like a star.
Let me see what this line means.
Well, where could it be?
Hello, boys and girls. Can you help us find what the first checkpoint is?
Can it be Stanley, the Peak, or Repulse Bay?
Kung Fu Master by the waterfront. Ha! I know! Yes! Yeah!
Hey! Wait!
Standing by the waterfront, cross the harbor by the ferry. I'm sure this ferry will get me there. Ha! Wow, what a fantastic ride! Oh my! These are famous movie stars in Hong Kong! Stars of movies now and then. It must be here! That's Bruce Lee, my idol, the greatest Kung Fu master in Hong Kong!
Congratulations! Here we are at the Avenue of the Stars that celebrates the greatest movie stars in Hong Kong's filming history.
I can't believe I'm standing so close to Bruce Lee. So, did I win this checkpoint?
Not yet. You still have to answer a few questions to test your English language. Now I've got 2 English prefixes here, un and dis. You've got to tell me what the opposite of the following words are using one of these prefixes.
Well, that's easy. These prefixes mean no or the opposite of something.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the opposite of happy?
Unhappy.
Easy.
Uneasy. Yes.
Agree?
Ooh. Disagree? Yeah!
Comfortable?
Uncomfortable?
Whoa! And appear.
Disappear!
Whoa! Well done, you got them all right. Hi, Daniel. You're finally here, but I'm afraid you've arrived 20 minutes behind Seth.
Will I be given a second chance?
Of course. Let's see how you do in our word challenge. To say you're not interested in something, are you disinterested or uninterested?
Disinterested.
I'm sorry. It should be uninterested. Disinterested means something different. How about the word like? If you don't like something, do you say dislike or unlike?
Unlike. Of course! I always unlike my friends' photos on the internet.
Sorry, friend. It should be dislike. Strictly speaking, unlike means that something's different than another thing.
Can I do one more?
I'm sorry, this round is done. You'll just have to work harder on your second checkpoint. Here you go.
Overseeing the South China Sea, the longest cable car on Lantau.
Overlooking Hong Kong Airport. Natural beauty admired by all.
Hello, boys and girls. Do you think we've come to the right place?
Is there the longest cable car ride here?
There it is! Yes! Get out of my... Hey!
Whoa! What are you doing here? We didn't see you at the station.
Isn't this a pleasant surprise? Welcome to the cable car ride, the longest car ride on Lantau.
The view from here is really spectacular.
Don't get so overexcited. Another round of the game is about to start. Come here.
Another game round? Surely I'll get it this time.
Look at these three words. Excited. Excitement. Exciting. Can you each make a sentence to show how these words are used?
That's easy. I can do it. I am excited about this cable car ride.
Good work.
Okay, my turn now. This cable car ride is excitement.
Oh, oops. I'm sorry. I'm afraid you've got it wrong. Excitement is a noun that describes a feeling or a state.
I know. Yeah. This cable car ride fills us with excitement. Or this cable car ride is exciting.
Excellent. You got them both right. Excited is an adjective that describes a person's feelings, and exciting is an adjective that describes an action. Daniel, you've got them all right. Seth, work harder on your next round.
This is amazing. I've never seen such a big statue. This is exactly what's written here. the biggest statue sitting outdoor. The Big Buddha welcomes you all.
Giving you peace and some wise words, filling your day with lots of joy.
Sorry to disturb your quiet thoughts, but the next round of word game is about to begin.
Sure. We're all ready for the next game.
Okay. Now you each need to make a sentence using either amazed or amazing.
Well, that's easy. I'm amazed at the sight of the Big Buddha.
That's right. Daniel, how about your sentence?
We are looking at the amazed Big Buddha.
That doesn't sound right at all. It should be, we're looking at the amazing Big Buddha. Amazing is an adjective that we use to describe something. For example, the amazing word race.
Thanks, Seth, for remembering the name of our game. Daniel, you've lost 2 rounds already.
I know. Maybe it's time for me to go home.
I'm amazed that he's left. This game is amazing!
Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. When you wanna do something that's new and it seems really, really hard to do, you feel like quitting, you feel you're through. Well, I have some advice for you, don't give up. Keep on trying, you're gonna make it. I ain't lying, don't give up. Don't ever quit, try and you can do it. Don't give up, yeah. Don't give up, keep on moving. You're gonna get there, just keep on grooving. Don't give up, don't pack in. Try and you will win. Don't give up, no, 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 don't give up. No, 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 don't give up. No, 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 don't give up. No, 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 don't give up.
Thanks for the encouragement. I will definitely not give up and not quit.
Talking about giving up, we've now come to the final round of our challenge. Now, to be an ambassador, one has to be strong and fit. So let's see who can run to the top of the peak first. Are you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Hey! Come on! Remember the song? Don't give up. You have to cheer up, speed up, and hurry up, or I will win!
You're right. I won't give up. I'll cheer up, speed up, and hurry up. Wait for me.
Come on! Come on!
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah!
Congratulations! Well done to both of you. You've shown how brave you are and how well you know Hong Kong. And your knowledge of English is also good. Maybe we need 2 ambassadors after all.
2?
Yes! Bam!
Yeah, way to go.
Congratulations! I'll be seeing you back in Hong Kong when you come to eat, play, and write about Hong Kong.
Come here.